So sets in ES6 is a way to create a group of values that can't contain duplicates. So whereas the array that we've currently got defined has a couple of duplicates in there, a set won't allow you to do this. So in order to make use of sets, we need to create a new set object. And we need to call the add function on the new set object in order to add values to it. If you do try and add a value that's already stored within the set, JavaScript will happily allow you to do that, but you'll notice in the output on the right hand side that the set only has one string that's equal to Java. So there are a couple of other functions that you can call on a set object. We can use the has function, which obviously checks whether the value that we put inside the parentheses is inside the set. We can also remove values, and you can find the number of items in a set with the size property. If you want to loop over a set, there is a for each function, or you can use the for of loop that we've seen in the last few lessons. So one thing to be aware of with sets is when you're working with objects, because a set will only remove duplicate references to objects and not actually the value of objects themselves. So you'll see if we add two identical objects to a set, they will be stored as two separate objects within the set, as the set can't distinguish between the two objects in memory. However, if the object was to be stored into a variable, the set would just add the reference to the object once, and any subsequent calls to the add function works in the same ways as the strings that we were using previously. So that's a quick overview of sets and how you might use them to keep track of a group of unique values within your code.